Good morning, everybody. It is November 3rd, first day, or first full week of November. Right now, our OE scores, we only have one turned in, so it's 100 across the board. So let's build off of that, keep rocking it out with speed of service and accuracy. So today starts the first the first day of the 2 weeks coffee giveaway that we're doing. That's between breakfast and 3 to 5 in the afternoon. So anytime during breakfast when a customer orders a small coffee, make sure they know that they're going to get that for free because of our giveaway. If someone doesn't order a drink, offer a free coffee, do their free giveaway. And then the same thing during the afternoon from 3 to 5. Let's try to suggest sell iced coffee, or if they want to do coffee, that's fine as well. Let's keep in mind Ceratec all day, every day. We're due anytime, any moment, so let's make sure we're repeating orders at the window and on headset. We all know what we're supposed to be doing with that. So let's just rock it out. Have a great day. We're going to have an awesome week. Thanks.